let's see these two questions. Now for this question you have to remember effectively the definition of log. Remember, what is definition of log? It means if we have a raised to x equals to y, means this is indices, okay, you can say power. Those who have power so have separate seats is equals to log of those who are sitting above their head will go down is equals to y. Okay, so this is same as this. You can go this way or else from here to here you can come. Okay, so we have to use this effectively. Okay, therefore 16 is equals to what? So by using this formula, 16 equals to 2 raised to k. You can say from here also k is equals to log of 2 to the base 16. Okay, therefore this is same as this as well as this same as this. Okay, so from here 2 raised to anything is what? 2 raised to k. 2 raised to anything, 2 raised to what power will come over here? 2 raised to 4. Okay, therefore k equals to 4. Okay, similarly for this also what we can do is, so x minus 8 is equals to, here this will go to power. Okay, here 5 raised to 1. Okay, 5 raised to 1 is same as 5. Therefore x equals to 5 minus, here will come plus 8 is same as 13. Okay, therefore x equals to 13 is the answer for this.